Today, I'm going to teach you how I made my Coraline cup. The first thing I did was cut out my own shapes. Take your time and drill a hole on the side of your cup. Take your time putting all the shapes through the hole one at a time. I decided to cut different color buttons for the eyes. I really enjoyed making this cup. Then I cut out the adder stone. Fun fact, the stone that Coraline used may have been called an adder stone. It's a magical item that allowed the user to see and find magical items such as fairy creatures. Next, we add our other mother needle hand cutout. Next, we're gonna add the mysterious key that opens the tiny door. Get in there, come on. As you keep adding more shapes, this is what it's supposed to be looking like, but you can add as much or as little as you like. I went ahead and added my own liquid mixture to the cup. Go ahead and use an eyedropper to transfer your liquid substance into the cup. I made my own funnel to add some extra glitter shapes. Thank you, Mia, again for giving me this tiny little spoon. I appreciate it. I'm adding 2 types of stars and moons to the cup as well. Once you're happy with the amount of bangles or glitter shapes you've added, you can add a stopper, UV resin, or Gorilla Glue to cover up the hole. To add extra security to the cup so no spillage happens, I add extra resin on the bottom. I decided to make the bottom similar to Coraline's sweater. Take your time with this so it could come out just right. When everything is set and dried, take some rubbing alcohol and wipe your cup down. Carefully start adding your layers. There's no right or wrong way of doing this, but I prefer to work backwards, so that way when I finish the outer layer, the black part would be the last piece that I add. And there you have it. This is how I made my version of the Coraline cup. If you have any questions or requests, or just want to say hi, please leave a comment below. Or if it's too many steps and you're not about that life, you can always go to my shop and request a cup. Please be mindful these cups do take time to dry. So do your girl a favor, share this video, smash that like button, tickle that bell icon so you can get notifications on my new videos, and please subscribe. If you dream it and you believe it, then you can reach it.